Okay, let's set performance to this car. And I was not looking at the graph. Darn it. Oh well. Yeah, just probably about the same, just added a little bit. So I mean, top speed will be better and acceleration will be better. Handling will reach up to its same point. So it's gonna be pretty much the same except built faster only. And the acceleration is better. And what am I saying? I don't know. What am I saying? I don't know. So let's see the acceleration and I mean the power in this car now with the performance. I find out something with this car. This car needs 5 RPMs. I mean 5 gears. 5 or 6. Maybe 5. Reason being is that whenever it upshifts, whenever it upshifts, it goes too low. So like, here, let me kind of demonstrate. Maybe if you do a burnout, it'd be much better though. If you do it with NOS though. Now, we'll try this in manual mode. That's something I don't really like about this car. Yeah, before you can actually kill the engine at 2nd gear, you'll be at like 70 miles an hour. So yeah, just you hear that really low engine sound at the end. That's just the main problem only. Other than that, the handling is pretty good. Depends on what kinds of situations. Unlike that one. Yeah, going uphill, you might want to stay at second or third third gear. That's all you might want. Yeah, I really don't like this car going uphill. I would not recommend this one going uphill. It's really lagging. I mean, you want to hear more of the engine whenever you're going uphill. You probably want to have it on a lower gear. You want to hear the engine sound. You're just gonna hear the really low engine sound in this one. I don't like it. So with the performance added, it's not. I'll probably get maybe a little bit faster. It's probably not gonna be something you're really looking for. It's not something I'm looking for though. 0-60. Alright, 0-60. That probably was about 5 seconds. Should have done it. It's about 2.8 seconds, 2.7. Not bad. It's about like 2 seconds. That's nice. Okay, top speed. And yes, I am sure that this one will get to 160 miles an hour. Maybe a little more, hopefully. Or maybe the same as always. A basic performance on this car, it's better than, I'd say average top speed is actually really good. I'd say average is 165. Because then whenever you go downhill, nice drifting over there. Might not be nice in traffic though. Originally the top speed only for this car would be about right there. But then we can just pull it down. And I'll see you on the next car.